Hello everyone, today, I'm excited to show you the simple process of uploading your precious photos to Google Drive. Google Drive is an amazing cloud storage platform that ensures your memories are both safe and easily accessible from any location. Whether you want to safeguard your cherished moments or share them with your loved ones, Google Drive is your go-to solution. To begin, simply visit drive.google.com and log in using your Google credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a new button with a plus sign located at the top left corner of your screen. Click on this button and select Folder from the drop-down menu. Give your folder a meaningful name, something like My Photos, and then click on Create. This folder will serve as the designated space for all your uploaded photos, helping you stay organized and manage your files efficiently. Now, let's move on to uploading your photos. Open the newly created Photos folder by double-clicking on it. To upload your photos, click on the New button again, but this time choose File Upload from the drop-down menu. A window will pop up, allowing you to navigate to the location of your photos on your computer. Simply select your photos by clicking on them, and then click on Open. You'll notice a small progress bar appearing in the bottom right corner of the screen, indicating the uploading process. Once the progress bar reaches 100%, your photos will be successfully uploaded to your Google Drive, safely stored and ready to be accessed anytime, anywhere. Before we wrap up, I'd like to kindly ask you to hit the like button if you found this tutorial helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more informative videos like this one. Thank you for watching, and happy uploading!